Welcome to TOEFL IBT animated preparation course. In this video we will learn easy to follow strategy to answer speaking question 1, and today we'll focus on choose one from many type of question. To begin with, let's look at a sample task. You will hear and read the question. Talk about your most valuable possession, describe it and explain why it is so important. You will have 15 seconds to prepare and 45 seconds to speak. And here is George. Unlike us, he's actually taking the test at the moment. His thoughts are overwhelmed with different thoughts of his most important possession, his computer, maybe his car. He's thinking of his apartment or tablet. Then he's thinking of his Rolex watch. Basically, he cannot decide which one is the most important one and valuable. He feels nervous and can't focus. The beep signals the time to answer, and here he comes. My most important possession is my car. It's very important for me because I can get to work. I use the car to go to different cities during weekends. My car is actually very nice. That's why it's most valuable to me. Has George really answered the question? Well, he has answered a part of it. Has he used all the time given? No, he still has 20 seconds to go. Let's meet Meg, who is like George is also taking the test. We can see that she is calm and doesn't let her emotions take over her thoughts. This is because she has mastered our easy to follow strategy. Let's see how she uses it. First of all, when Meg reads the question, she identifies the keywords. In our question, the keywords are the topic itself, valuable possession, and 2 question words. She has to describe it and then explain why it's the most important. Secondly, during the 15-second preparation time, she uses brainstorming. Meg knows that the TOEFL evaluators are not really interested in her possessions. What they are really looking for is a well-developed and well-structured, cohesive response. Let's see how brainstorming helps her achieve all of this. Meg chooses her cell phone because really it's the easiest to talk about. Then she addresses the first part of the question where she has to describe it. How can Meg describe her cell phone? Well, she can talk about its size, then she can talk about its brand, color, emphasize some of its properties. The other part of the question asks her to reason why it's the most important and answer the question why. Usually, to build a persuasive answer, you need to give 2 reasons supported by personal examples. So, for her first reason, she chooses the fact that it's multifunctional. And for examples, she can talk about the fact that she uses it to watch TV, work, pay, and chat with her friends. The second reason is that it's portable. It fits her pocket, she can travel with it, maybe use it while on the airplane, and for many other aspects. Basically, by the time she finishes her mind map, it's time to give a well-structured and cohesive response. And she will have 45 seconds to do this. Basically, what Meg has to do is to add some cliché and transition words to her mind map and complete the task. Let's see how she does it. I have many important possessions, but if I had to choose one, it would definitely be my cell phone. My cell phone is a hand-size silver black iPhone with a great camera and 50 gigabytes memory stick. It's very important for me because first of all, it's multifunctional. For example, I frequently watch the news. I also work from my cell phone. I use Google Docs, and I pay most of my bills via online banking. Also, my cell phone is portable and it fits my pocket. I use it on the airplane using Wi-Fi. Basically, this mind map allows Meg to respond clearly, cohesively, and also concisely. And these 3 qualities are the ones that the evaluators are really looking for. Using this strategy, Meg can actually answer any kind of question on speaking question 1. So let's review it again. First, read the question and identify the keywords. Second, use brainstorming and mind map your ideas and provide a well-structured response by adding transitions. But of course, everything takes practice. Let's do another practice task. Here's the question. What skill do you consider the most useful? Support your answer with reasons and example. 15 seconds to prepare and 45 seconds to speak. First, we identify our key words to focus the response. We have to talk about the skill, how it is useful, and unlike another question, we need to give reasons and examples. Second, we have to brainstorm during our 15 seconds preparation time. So I'm gonna choose the easiest skill to talk about, which is touch typing. Touch typing is very useful because I can multitask as a student. I have to sit in class, listen to my professor, and also take effective notes. Also, the second reason for touch typing would be that I can manage my time more effectively, and for me as a TOEFL student, this is especially handy because I can complete my writing task effectively. So with this, I can give a response. There are many important skills that I have as a student, but the most useful one is touch typing. Touch typing allows me to multitask effectively. During my history class especially, I have to listen to my professor attentively, but I also have to take lots of notes, including facts and dates. Also, touch typing allows me to manage my time more effectively, and this comes in handy on my TOEFL tests, especially its writing task where I have to focus on the content and the structure of the essay and save time on typing. For these reasons, touch typing is the most important skill that I have. As we can see, the strategy allows us to respond clearly, concisely, and also cohesively. Stay in control of your emotion on the test and succeed with us on the TOEFL IBT exam.